Look at that crazy green car.
Me going there?
You might be able to go in there. He's like, me go in there? Look at this thing. Dude, this is dirty as heck. I gotta get this on video. Watch. Look. It's not gonna do it justice at night. I gotta get some shots in the day. But this is ridiculous. Yeah, he might let you go in there. Dude, this is crazy clean. Look at this booger. Holy crap. Dude, the back is insane. The V10. And that's stock that way? Dude, that cackles so crazy. Look at this. The Evo. That is what the smell is insane too. That is just ridiculous. Mama's making me hold it while she gets in the lane. Oh man, this is what you need to get next.
Oh yeah.
Next on the list right here, Huracan Evo.
Oh yeah.
Coming to a channel near you. We just got to sell the house and all our stocks. Oops, sorry, I'm getting mom.
All right. Let her get it because it's nice and warm in there.
Yeah, get in there.
Hello everybody! Happy December! Yes, I have my flashing earrings on and welcome back to the channel. I'm gonna turn these off so they're not super distracting. But you guys, we're here today to talk about the beautiful iPhone 13 Pro. Of course, it's beautiful because it's Apple and their design is always super sleek, super pretty. But is it worth the upgrade? Okay. Short answer, yes. Yes, it is. I'm definitely like not that person that's like, oh, I need the newest phone, blah, blah, blah. But my common issues with phones are storage space, because I do a lot of different like transition videos, makeup videos, just any type of like videos for, you know, my social media platforms, YouTube, all that stuff. I do capture that on my phone and I don't like to get rid of it because, you know, I might need to repurpose or reuse or yada yada. And I'm not super slick with the whole iCloud thing, okay? I don't know about anybody else, but I'm not super slick with it. Anyways, another common thing is just like camera quality, because obviously every time they upgrade a phone, every time they do that stuff, like the camera gets better. And of course, that's like the huge selling point on the iPhone 13 Pro is that the camera quality is super, super good, right? So I do have a clear case on here. It does have a ledge to kind of come up around the lenses here and kind of protect that. And then I did go with like the clear little ring tab here. Oh, let me show you. So that way that's how I hold it. And that way it's not gonna like drop or anything. This has held up. I've had this on here for a few days now and it hasn't like fallen off, cracked, anything like that. You know, you see different reviews and stuff. I can definitely link everything that I got for like case, ring tab, screen protector, everything like that. This is the brand that I got. I have not tried it yet, so no promises. I'm gonna try to put it on here and then I'll let you know what I think.
First I thought it said titanium, tranium, whatever it is.
It had good reviews, so we'll see.
Yeah, send it. Man, that is epic. I love that silvery black color. That's just crazy. That's such a nice phone. Whoa, that's with that glass on there. It doesn't even look like anything's on there.
Yeah, so we got it on there. This thing, I will say, it made it really freaking easy. So it like literally snaps on the front of the phone. This, and you actually like snap it on there and then you just line up the screen protector with the top there. And then you just like literally drop it on there. And if you touch the middle, it starts like literally just like sucking to it. It's really crazy.
That's insane. The technology they come out with nowadays, just when you think they've done it all, they come up with something new. And gosh, that looks so good.
Let's see too.
Booting up for the first time. Hello. Sorry if you hear the steak sizzling in the background. I feel like we're always cooking steak when we film these videos. Give her a sin. Let's get this booger going.
But you guys, the screen, oh my gosh. Like, okay, like I know that this, my nose itches. Ugh. This video is probably gonna sound like I'm endorsed by Apple, but I'm not. Wink, wink. No, I'm totally kidding. I'm not. But like you guys, let me just show you, like, look at the quality of this screen. Like it's not gonna do it justice on here. It really is not. But the picture is super crystal clear. And not only that, but the operating system itself is so quick. Like you don't notice it until because I actually didn't trade my old phone in. Yes, I'm that person. I have 2 phones. I'm not definitely not trying to brag. I just, like I said, I need storage. So, and I didn't want to have to transfer all the stuff that is gunking up this phone onto the new phone. So we still have this baby. And this one is the iPhone 11. And I've loved this phone, I really have. But like I said, it's just a matter of storage and picture quality. I want the best picture quality. So with this one, like, yes, it scrolls, right? Like, I mean, you guys probably aren't even gonna notice the difference, but I notice the difference when I'm using the phone, okay? So it is just like, it's so fast. Like, I don't know, like when you're swiping and stuff, it's just like, there's no lag. It's super, super fast. So the operating system is like on point, okay? So even like say, like this is my TikTok account here. So even on here, like it's super quick when it scrolls. Like, I don't know about anybody else, but like I felt like it was always like lagging on my other phone, probably because it was jam-packed on storage, right? But I do feel like it's just like, it's so quick. I don't know. Like you really do have to try it for yourself, because I was like, oh, like it's not gonna be that big of a difference. Like, okay, maybe a little bit better picture quality, and then, you know, like upgrade on the storage. I did get the, I'm trying to remember what storage amount I got. I'm gonna ask Joe here, and yeah, he'll put on the screen which one I got. We looked at so many, like we looked at all the different versions and everything, so yeah. But we did upgrade on the storage, and like I said, I didn't like gunk it up with all of the things that were on my phone. Like photos was what took up most of it. So if you take a lot of pictures, videos, if you are like me and you post a lot like on social media, and you like have like a lot of editing apps, different things like that, like definitely higher storage, you need it. So I do have on like a single page here, like all of the like apps and everything that I use like on the regular. So I'm trying to like get a little bit more organized and all that stuff. So all in all, I say that it's really worth it just for like the storage and the picture quality, because those were my 2 main things that bothered me with my other phone. Coming from the iPhone 11 to the iPhone 13, definitely worth it. I do love the picture quality. I do love having that extra storage. So let me know if you have got the 13 Pro. I did just go with the 13 Pro. I didn't get the Max because it was only like what, like 0.5, 0.6 inches difference, and I was like, if anything, it's gonna make me more clumsy and drop it more. I'm a very clumsy person, and I drop things a lot, hence why I needed a phone case, and why I always have something to like stabilize, either like, you know, like a ring tab thing here, or like a pop socket. I always gotta have something on the back to stabilize. I literally pulled it out of the case and almost dropped it first thing when I pulled it out of the box, brand new. Yeah, that's me. So definitely protect your phone, because Joe here, my hubby, he doesn't use a phone case. I'm like, and we have a 3-year-old. I'm surprised his phone has lasted as long as it has, but definitely protect it. Like I said, I can link everything that I found, because y'all know I'm an avid Amazon shopper and I read reviews. I don't leave reviews, but I read them. Anyways, like I said, let me know if you have gotten the iPhone 13 Pro, the regular one, like what you think of it, anything like that. I'm definitely like, I'm a little bit partial to Apple, just because that's what I've kind of grown up like getting. I've gone through the generations of Apple ever since that was a thing anyways. Of course, I did have the old flip phone back in like high school. We cool here. Anyways, you guys, I hope you guys are having a wonderful holiday season. Don't forget, the giveaway is still happening, okay? So you have 1 more week to enter. It's going to close on December 17th. You can hashtag Tori's Beauty Tribe on any videos. Just make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Comment that on any video. You get 1 entry per video. Just hashtag that on as many videos as you want to. You get 1 entry per video. So definitely be sure to go and enter because we are giving away a $100 makeup goodie gift bag of all of my favorite makeup items right now, different brands, just different, also like my favorite makeup brushes, everything like that. So definitely get entered so that you can try all those goodies. We will be going live December 18th on Facebook, on Tori's Beauty Tribe, the business page on Facebook. So if you want to be part of helping pick the winner, definitely tune into that live and we will be on there. We will let you guys know a time and everything like that. Time to be determined because, you know, holiday season, we're trying to figure everything out here. Anyways, you guys have a wonderful day, night, evening, whenever you're watching this, and we will talk to you all next video. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button before you leave. I'll talk to you soon, guys.